Hi friends, welcome to, today is Friday and we're going to do our math test today. So go ahead and do your math fact assessment number 8. Do that alone by yourself. If you don't know some, then you can try to figure it out on your fingers, or you can look at your hundredths chart if you need to, but you do it by yourself, okay? And just do your best. That will let me know which ones you know, which ones you don't know. Okay, you can push pause and we'll do the math test. We're going to review a couple of things first, but we're on math test number 13. Okay, so you can write your name. And the date today is the 29th. So 1-29. Okay. So just a couple things before we start. If you have two things together, it's called a pair. So if you have two socks, they're a pair of socks. If you have two shoes, it's a pair of shoes. When we do, sometimes we're going to talk about numbers that are before and after, which is also the same as one less and one more. So if we had the number 7, what's one less than 7? That would be 6. What's one more than 7? 8. So it's just before and after. Sometimes on the test today, I'm just going to show you, we're talking about how many posters are next to the door. So if it was in order, we would say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay? So, and then make sure you know right, which direction is right. That would be away from the door. Left would be towards the door. Okay, so your right and your left hand. Make sure you know those. Okay, let's start at number 1. I'm going to kind of go through this quickly. You can push pause in between when I read the question, and that way you can finish and have as much time as you need, okay? Number 1. Tim has 6 socks. Draw the socks. Circle the pairs of socks. I just want you to know that if you don't know how to draw socks, you can just do pretty easy. It can just be like something that represents the socks. So you need to have 6 socks and you need to draw a circle around the pairs. Okay? Doesn't have to look like mine, but just showing you. After you do that, it says, how many pairs of socks does Tim have? There's a little line underneath the rectangle. How many pairs of socks? Not how many socks, how many pairs? Okay, push pause if you need. Number 2, there's a number in the middle of the 2 lines. On the 2 lines, you need to write the number that is 1 less, the number that is 1 more. Go ahead and push pause on that. Okay, number 3. You do not need to use pennies. I'm going to draw something that would be similar to a penny size. And you can count mine. Okay? Push pause if you need to, but you can just count these. How many pennies are on the line? Number 4, finish this shape pattern. Triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, rectangle. Then you finish the rest of the pattern. Push pause. Number 5, here's the door. Here's the posters. Get your red crayon. We're going to go over the order again. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th. Color the 4th poster from the door. The 4th poster needs to be red. On the first little line next to the door, how many posters are on the right side of the red poster? Underneath that, there's another line. How many posters are on the left side of the red poster? you can push pause in between all of these things if you need to. Then it says color the second poster from the door yellow. The second poster from the door. Push pause if you need to. Number 6, write the answers. You're just going to do the math fact answers right down here at the bottom. Nice work. Lots of math today and this whole week. So nice job keeping up and doing your very best. I'm super proud of you guys.